welcome to the revision part on equal triangles. Questions are from first terminal exam 2019. 10 videos are uploaded on this lesson. Do watch everything. Okay, come to the first question. In figure, AB is equal to QR. You are given two figures and condition AB is equal to QR. Let me mark it. AB and QR are given to be equal. AC equal to PQ. AC, second side, equal to PQ. Also, BC equal to PR. Also, angle A is 50 degree, angle B is 60 degree. We are asked to find angle Q and angle P. We have to find out angle P and angle Q. First of all, let us find the third angle of triangle ABC. We know sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, angle C would be 180 minus 110, which is equal to 70 degree. Now, what can you say about these two triangles? Since all three sides are equal, triangle ABC and triangle PQR are equal triangles, and we have studied in the case of equal triangles, angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Now we have opposite to the first side we have 70 degree. So opposite to this first side you will have 70 degree. So we can say angle P is equal to 70 degree. Now angle Q. Look at angle Q. Angle Q is opposite to the third side, isn't it? Opposite to the third side we have 50 degree. So angle Q is also equal to 50 degree because it is opposite to the third side of the equal triangle. Is it clear? Come to the second question. In figure, angle A is given to be equal to angle C. That is, these two angles are given to be equal. Also, angle B is equal to 120 degree and BC is given as 4 centimeter. We are asked to find the length of AB. Now, what is the length of AB, children? Since two angles are equal, we can call this triangle to be an isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Opposite to this angle we have 4. Therefore, opposite to this angle we will have 4 centimeter. So, we can say AB equals 4 centimeter. Now, we have to find the measure of angle A. What is angle A? 180 minus 120 gives you 60 degree. And we know these two angles are equal. So, angle A and angle C are both equal to 60 divided by 2, which is equal to 30 degree. So, we can say angle A to be 30 degree. Look at the next question in the same question paper. In figure, PA is equal to PD. You are given PA and PD measures to be equal. Also, AB, BC is equal to CD. That is, AB equal to BC, that is equal to CD. These three measures are also given to be equal. Now come to the question. If angle A is equal to 50 degree, then angle D is equal to. Now how do you find out? We know these two sides are equal. So we can call ADP to be an isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So you can say angle A is equal to 50 degree and so angle D is also equal to 50 degree because they are the angles opposite to equal sides. Okay, next question. PB is equal to 5. You are given PB's measure to be equal to 5. what is the length of PCY? You have to find out PC's measure and also you have to write the reason. Okay. Now look at triangle PAB and also PCB. Now in these two triangles, what can you say? Two sides are equal. PA and PD are equal. Also AB and CD are equal. Included angle is also equal. Therefore, using our SAS congruence, side, angle, side of the first triangle are equal to side, angle, side of the second triangle. So, we can call these two triangles to be equal triangles. Now, in the case of equal triangles, what do you know? Sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Opposite to 50 degree, you have 5 centimeter. Therefore, opposite to this 50 degree also, you will get 5 centimeter. So, we can say PC's measure is equal to 5 centimeter. Come to the next question. AC is the bisector of both angle A and angle C. You can see the bisector AC. Use the condition AC is the bisector of angle A as well as angle B. Now what do you know about the bisector of an angle? Bisector of an angle divides the angle into two equal parts. So let me name this angle to be equal to X. Then this angle would be also equal to X. Similarly, we can say this angle is Y. Therefore, this angle is also equal to Y. And what about AC? AC is the common side for both triangles. So, we can call triangle ABC and ADC to be equal triangles. Now come to the question. First question, angle D is equal to. Now what is angle D? So what can you say about angle D? Opposite to the equal side, we have 90 degree. So we can say opposite to this equal side, we get 90 degree in the second triangle. Okay. If AB is equal to 4 and CD is equal to 3, write the length of AD and AC. First of all, let us write AD. Okay. Now what is AD? Opposite to the equal side Y, you have 4 centimeter. So, opposite to this Y angle also, you will get 4 centimeter. Opposite to X, we have 3 centimeter. So, opposite to this X, we have 3 centimeter. So, first question, AD. We can say AD's measure is equal to 4 centimeter. Now, the measure of AC. Now, what is AC, children? We know ABC is a right-angled triangle in which two sides are given to be 3 and 4. So, opposite to 90 degree, we have the hypotenuse AC. Hypotenuse is equal to root of base square plus altitude square. So, you get root of 25 which is equal to 5 centimeter. Come to the last question in the question paper. Draw an angle of 55 degree and bisect the angle. Second part of the question. Draw a triangle ABC with angle A 27.5 degree, angle B 70 degree and AB equal to 5 centimeter. Let us do the first part of the question. Draw an angle of 55 degree. So, first of all, draw a line of any measure. Now, I have to measure 55 degree at this point. Measure an angle of 55 degree using protractor. Keep your protractor at A 55 degree. I have marked 55 degree. Now join it using scale. So now the angle is 55 degree. Angle A is equal to 55 degree. Now we have to bisect the angle. Keep your compass at A. Draw an arc for any measure. Using any measure, I have drawn an arc. The arc cuts the two arms at two different points. Now keep your compass at this point. Draw an arc with the same measure. Keep your compass at this point. Cut the previous arc. Now join A to this arc. You will get the bisector. Now I have drawn the bisector of 55 degree. Okay. Now you know this angle will be equal to 55 divided by 2. Isn't it? So this angle is 55 divided by 2, that is equal to 27.5 degree. Let us use the same figure for completing the second figure. Okay. Angle A is equal to 27.5 degree. So I have the angle over here. AB is equal to 5 centimeter. So let us measure 5 centimeter in this line. So I mark 5 centimeters. Point is named as B. This is 5 centimeter. Now angle B is equal to 70 degree. That is, at B, use your protractor and measure 70 degree. So 70 degree is here. Use your scale, join it. The line cuts the previous line at the point C. In triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 27.5 degree and we took angle B to be equal to 70 degree and AB is equal to 5 centimeter. I have drawn both figures in the same diagram. Share your valuable suggestions in the comment box. Thank you.